AI.dielmo is an easy-to-use object detection software made for everyone, helping businesses of all shapes and sizes sort through the images that do not contain specific objects and marking those that do. The way it works, it's as simple as selecting the input folder where the video or images are located, then assigning an output folder where the analyzed images will be placed, and choosing the right model that has been trained to detect and highlight your desired object. This will allow AI.dielmo to run through your files and will begin to detect the objects through artificial intelligence. It's for the small everyday user who wants to try object detection through artificial intelligence software. It's for small companies, allowing them to save time and money by sorting and automating their detection processes for both images and videos. And it's for the big corporations who need a robust custom tool design to incorporate object detection into their current workflow. With lots of models to choose from, a complete array of parameters to customize your detections, and having the ability to analyze images and videos alike, AI.dielmo is your new object detection software.